Welcome to this lesson on altcoins, which stands for alternative cryptocurrencies. In the world of digital currencies, Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency ever created. However, today there are thousands of other cryptocurrencies that have been developed since Bitcoin's introduction. These cryptocurrencies are collectively known as altcoins. In this video, we'll explore what altcoins are, why they exist, and how they differ from Bitcoin. Let's dive in. Let's start with the basics. The term altcoin is a combination of two words, alternative and coin. Simply put, an altcoin is any cryptocurrency other than Bitcoin. When Bitcoin was launched, it pioneered blockchain technology and digital currency. As the cryptocurrency space evolved, developers began creating new cryptocurrencies with different features, purposes, and technologies. All of these new cryptocurrencies are considered altcoins because they are alternatives to the original Bitcoin. You might wonder why we need altcoins if Bitcoin already exists. There are several important reasons. First, many altcoins aim to improve upon Bitcoin by offering faster transaction speeds and lower transaction fees. Second, altcoins introduce different features that Bitcoin doesn't have, such as smart contracts and unique capabilities. Third, many altcoins are designed for specific purposes, whether that's enhanced privacy, gaming applications, or specialized financial solutions. Finally, altcoins drive innovation by experimenting with new consensus mechanisms and blockchain technologies that push the entire industry forward. Altcoins can be organized into several major categories based on their primary purpose. First, we have payment coins, which are digital currencies designed specifically for making transactions. Second, there are stablecoins, which are cryptocurrencies pegged to stable assets like the US dollar to minimize price volatility. Third, utility tokens provide access to specific services or functions within a particular blockchain ecosystem. And fourth, governance tokens give holders voting rights, allowing them to participate in decision-making for decentralized projects. Each category serves a distinct role in the cryptocurrency ecosystem. When discussing altcoins, we must talk about Ethereum, which is the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. Ethereum is much more than just a digital currency. It introduced the concept of smart contracts, which are self-executing agreements written in code. This innovation enabled developers to build decentralized applications, commonly called dApps, on top of the Ethereum blockchain. Ethereum also serves as the primary platform for non-fungible tokens, or NFTs. Additionally, Ethereum has transitioned to a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, making it more energy efficient than traditional proof-of-work systems. Let's look at some other popular altcoins in the market. Ripple, with the ticker symbol XRP, focuses on facilitating fast and low-cost cross-border payments. Cardano, or ADA, is a research-driven blockchain platform that emphasizes academic rigor and peer-reviewed development. Solana, known as Sol, is designed for extremely high-speed transactions and scalability. Polkadot, or DOT, enables multi-chain interoperability, allowing different blockchains to communicate with each other. Litecoin, with ticker LTC, was created as a faster alternative to Bitcoin. And Chainlink, or Link, provides decentralized Oracle services that connect smart contracts with real-world data. Each of these altcoins serves unique purposes in the cryptocurrency ecosystem. While all altcoins share some similarities with Bitcoin, they also have key differences. From a technology perspective, many altcoins use different consensus mechanisms and blockchain architectures compared to Bitcoin's proof-of-work system. In terms of purpose, while Bitcoin primarily functions as digital currency and a store of value, many altcoins go beyond this by serving as platforms for services and utilities. Regarding speed, numerous altcoins offer faster transaction processing times than Bitcoin's network. Finally, altcoins have varying total supply limits and distribution models, whereas Bitcoin has a fixed cap of 21 million coins. These differences allow altcoins to serve specialized needs in the cryptocurrency market. Let's recap what we've learned today. First, altcoins are all cryptocurrencies except Bitcoin. Second, Each altcoin serves different purposes and addresses different use cases, from payments to smart contracts to specialized applications. Third, thousands of altcoins exist in the market, each with varying features, technologies, and goals. And finally, innovation continues to drive the creation of new altcoins as developers seek to solve problems and introduce new capabilities to the blockchain space. Understanding altcoins is essential for anyone looking to explore the broader cryptocurrency ecosystem beyond Bitcoin.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.